The window blinds must be open during takeoff and landing. Huh? Throw your trash in the bin.
Don't be afraid. It's just some turbulence. You're in turbulence. You need to stay in your seat. If there is a red line on the door, it's occupied. Thank you for flying our airline.
Red means it's not safe. We'll play on the beach. While you're having fun, don't disturb others. We're sorry. Animals on the beach can be dangerous. Green means we can swim.
Don't forget to protect your skin from the sun. Leo, don't turn the stove by yourself. Ask adults to help.
There is a fire! Help!
Cover your nose and mouth. Drop and growl. If you hear the fire alarm, it means it's time to go. Good job, kids.
Well done, Lucy. Laundry should be in a bathroom.
You will manage better once you are a team.
You can't get distracted on the escalator.
Yay, yay! I like it! I want to do it again!
Oh! Don't run on the escalator. Oh. We need the third floor. That means the elevator is on the first floor. Here you choose the direction we need.
I'm sorry, Mommy. I won't play in the elevator again.
Here, choose something for your sisters to play.
Gold is better than pink. I'll prove to you that pink is better.
Other people will not always like the same things as you. Everyone had their own interests. But you can always find common interests.
Pistachio is my favorite! And mine too! Wow! Look at Pico's birthday cake!
You can only eat the cake after dinner.
It's okay. Let's have some fun first. Billy, what are you still doing here? No, stop! Billy thinks he's in Cake World, where fruits have a sweet surprise inside. Bowling and bounce on iced hills. Make creamy icing angels. But really, he's just being greedy and eating cake. He's missing out the fun. Pico's got a pile of prezzies to slide down. Huh? Who's asleep? What? The cake can't snore. Lift the box, Mom. Oh no! Billy's fat and full. You've eaten my birthday cake! Billy, look! You've made Pico cry! Uh-oh. Watch out! He's a rolling wide weeble. No, the vase.
Well caught, Mom!
Rebound rolling ball, Billy. No, the presents. You've broken my presents! Split, splat. Spaghetti scoop. Aye, Dilly. Bearded bunny. Fruity-looking lily. Oh no! The chicken! Yikes, Billy's so fat he's broken the table. Ah, the door's open! Help me! Quick before he rolls onto the road. Phew, he's stuck in the doorway. Come on, everyone, pull! I know you're angry, Pico, but please help to pull. Hevo! Uh-oh, bubbly belly! I have a stomachache! That's what happens when you're greedy and eat too much! Smelly fart cloud!
You can't eat so much cake without sharing it with others.
I'm sorry.
Now we can make a cake together.
Yeah! This is fun, isn't it, kids? Billy! Now you look like Pinocchio. Haha.
Oh! Ho, ho, ho! Oh!
Oh no, what's wrong with Mom?
Oh no! Mommy's sick!
Dad, check Mom, she's sick. Mom's gonna have a baby. Quick, phone the ambulance! The doctors will take care of Mom. Huh?
What? 3 more babies?
No, Dad. Pico and Billy hitched a ride with Mom. Looks like baby is ready to be born. Baby has to come out of Mom's belly when it's finished growing.
Don't worry. They take Mommy away to get the new baby out.
Billy thinks Mom wins a baby from the grabber machine. What do you think, Pico? Ah! Pico thinks baby is made from blocks and battery operated. With a controller, too? Pico, that isn't what really happens. Because Mom and Dad love you both so much, they made another baby. Baby grows inside Mom's belly until there's no more room. Then, baby is born.
Aww.
Look, kids, here's your new sibling.
The baby's born.
What do you think baby needs, kids? That's right, a pacifier will calm baby down. Our family just got bigger, yeah! Careful, kids, stop fighting! Oh no, you've set the car driving! Yikes! Now you're all in a sticky mess.
What's happened?
Help them, Dad! They're all glued up.
Ah!
Whew. I don't think the comb will work in glued hair, Dad. Oops, now what?
Huh? I'll fix it!
Super Salon Hairdresser Dad to the rescue! Water will soften the glue. Dad can comb it out now. Uh-oh!
Huh?
Hold still, Billy. Dad's gonna shave the stickiness out. Oh no!
Huh?
Ah, Billy's got a bald patch.
At least the glue is out. We'll figure out what to do later.
Willie's turn for a new style. Wow, so long. Shorter and cuter. I'd leave it now, Dad. Don't trim away too much. No kids, leave Willie's hair alone. Tickle time. No, now Willie's got a baldy stripe too.
Huh?
This cap will cover it. But Willie doesn't like it.
Don't worry. We'll fix it later.
Last one to be styled is Dilly. Use the scissors, Dad. They're safer. Wow, Dilly looks dashing. Come on, kids. Put the hairdryer down. We don't want any more accidents. Whoa! Watch out! Flying babies! Dilly's got a razored ravine. Uh-oh!
Oh boy, what's happened here?
It's a long story, Mom.
Let me help.
Let's hope Mom can patch up the bald spots. Yeah, Billy's got a bouncing bun. Dilla's looking fine and flowery. And Willie's real cool in a ribbon. What do you think, Dad?
There, all fixed.
Oh no, look! Dad's stuck on a new hairdo too, haha.